Namaste students, welcome to your online math class. Today we observe decimals. That last class we observed addition of decimals. Now we will learn subtraction of decimals. First of all, write the decimal numbers according to their place values. Put 0 if necessary to complete the required number of decimal places. Subtract the decimal numbers just like subtract of whole numbers. So how to subtract means that first question you see 4.376 minus 2.143. So first number as well as you want to write, then point directly you put the point direct towards to put the point, then before and after number you want to write. Then remaining numbers you should write. So how to subtract it? As plus ones place, tens place, 100 place, then point before numbers. Okay. Suppose 6 minus 3, 3, 7 minus 4, 3, 3 minus 1, 2, 4 minus 2, 2. So that solution 2.233. Then second one 12.501 minus 9.201. So first numbers as well as subtracted to second means first of all directly you put the point, then before number and after number you want to try to know. Before number 9, after number 2. So now given question first of all 12.501 you write means then towards to point. Okay, then before number 9, point after number 2. Then remaining numbers what we get 0, 1. Then subtracted that numbers means 1 minus 1, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 2, 3, 12 minus 9, 3. So that solution 3.300. Point after numbers we want to read single digit 300, not 300. Okay, why? Because point after numbers we want to read single digit only. The third one 27.368 minus 15.143. So first numbers as well as we want to write, correct? Then subtracted 15.143. How to subtract? As plus 8 minus 3, 5, 6 minus 4, 2, 3 minus 1, 2. Then put the point 7 minus 5, 2, 2 minus 1, 1. So 12.225. That is the solution. Now you see 5.68 minus 2.035. So as well as first of all first number we want to write 5.68. Then second number directly you put the point straight up point put பண்ணிட்டோம். Then before point before number after number we want to write before number 2, after number 0. The remaining numbers 3, 5. So that 5 have in front of numbers, that means 5 above nothing the numbers, so we for my convenience we want to write 0, correct? 0 minus 5 it is impossible. You borrow that numbers means this numbers borrow, that means many have 7. These numbers convey to 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 7 minus 3, 4. 6 minus 0, 6. 5 minus 2, 3. So 3.645 is the solution. One more question. 37.230 minus 13.7. So how to subtract? First number as well as 37.230 you want to write means next number point directly you put, then point before number 3 after number 7, remaining numbers 3 before 1 have. So we want to subtract, the two places is empty, so for my convenience we want to write 0 0. Correct? Subtracted means how to do? 0 minus 0 0, 3 minus 0 3, 2 minus 7, that is impossible, so you borrow that previous number. So borrow means this convey to 6, this number convey to 12, 12 minus 7 5, we know that, 6 minus 3 3, 3 minus 1 2, 23.530, that is the solution. So this is same way find the values of that four sums have. That first one 28.3 minus 6.57. So 28.3 as well as we want to write hereafter minus, directly you put the point that before number 6 after number 5, remaining numbers hereafter, remaining number 7 we want to write, that number have 5 after, so we want to write, then subtract that terms. 0 minus 7, that is impossible, you borrow, that means this convey to 10. Correct? Remaining numbers 2. Correct? 10 minus 7 3, 5 subtracted from 2, that is impossible, so we want to borrow that again in front of the number. This number borrow means this is conveyed to 12, remaining here 7. 12 minus 5 7, 7 minus 6 1, 2 as well as, so that is 21.73 is a solution. Then one more question, 6.71 minus 3.709. So subtracted means first of all we want to write that first number 6.71 subtracted 3.709. So point near point put pannum, then point before number 3 after number 7 we want to write means that hereafter remaining numbers we want to write, remaining numbers 7 after 0 have, then 9 have, you should write, then this 9 in front of, that means above nothing the numbers, so for my convenience we want to write 0. Correct? 0 now you subtracted the term, so already I told put 0 if necessary to complete the required number of decimal places. Okay, for my convenience put the 0, already I told so in that 9 above nothing the element means we want to write 0. So 0 subtracted 9, that is impossible, so you borrow that in front of number, this borrow means we get 10, this place we get 0. 10 minus 9 1, 0 minus 0 we get 0. Why? We borrow after we have 0 only, 0 minus 0 0, 7 minus 7 we get 0. Next 6 minus 3 3. So what solution we get? Yes, 3.001. Then one more question, 13.6 minus 9.275. How to subtract? As well as we know that first number you want to write first place 13.6. Hereafter points towards to put, then point before number 9, after number 2 we want to write that remaining number 2 after 7 5 have, that you write. Then subtracted that term means 5 above 7 above nothing the element. So for my convenient we want to write 0. Why? Because already I told you, put the 0 if necessary to complete the recur decimal places. So தேவையான பிளேசஸில் டெசிமல் நம்பர்ஸ்க்கு நம்மளே ஜீரோஸை புட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். கரெக்டாக? ஸோ அப்போ 5 சப்ராக்டட் விச் 7 subtracted what number? So numbers not have means we want to put 0. So 0 minus 5, that is impossible. So you borrow that means that also 0. So again borrow that. This 6 means we get 5. This number we want to change 10. This you subtracted means this number we want to convey 10. This number we get 9. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 7, 2. 5 minus 2, 3. Directly you put the point. Then that 3 minus 9, that is impossible. You consider 13. 13 minus 9, 4. So we get 4.325. That is the solution. Then one more question. 25.32 subtracted 3.678. So as well as that first number we want to write first. Then put the 0 recur to the decimal places. So for my convenience, second number we want to write right after that. We want to recur places, we want to put 0. Then subtract that term means 0 minus 8, that is impossible. So you borrow, that means this convey 1, this convey to 10. Already we know that the procedure and borrowing method. So 10 minus 8 we get 2. 1 minus 7, that is impossible. You can again you borrow means this convey to 2, this convey to 11. 11 minus 7, 4. 2 minus 6, that is impossible. You borrow means again this is conveyed to 12, this is conveyed to 4. 12 minus 6, 6. 4 minus 3, 1. 2 as well as. So 21.642 we get. So how to subtract it means first numbers as well as we want to write, then that point only towards to the point, then point before and after number we want to write first. Hereafter remaining numbers we want to write. Then subtracted means necessary part, necessary places we put 0. Then you subtract the terms correctly, we get the solution. Then one more condition, point after number we want to read single digit. Why? Because on the whole numbers only we read full form, thousands, hundred, tenth, 200, and then lakh. Point after we want to read single digit. Okay students, next tomorrow homework. 25.36 minus 7.47, 130.2 minus 27.42, 42.36 minus 5.67, that last one 57.28 minus 12.51. The 4 sums I give, you can try. Okay, I hope you understood, I think. Okay, thank you students.